berkan jangan laban rong man kapor bayar Ngadu kadang kabel Laging benadong syadong Hey KONGTHEI, hey KONGTHEI Hey KONGTHEI, hey KONGTHEI Hey KONGTHEI, hey KONGTHEI Ditang makimarway Hey KONGTHEI, hey KONGTHEI Hey KONGTHEI, hey KONGTHEI Hey KONGTHEI, hey KONGTHEI Bilang ku puri belai
Kumka jinglek kemen ya kesengi kerpang jongki kena ya kebala jutip kumka Children's Day ya kebala kenmau kerpang haborok kowe gari kabadi kesengi kha jong Prime Minister baneng kongdu jong gari India upandit Jawaharlal Nehru ubadairu ubriu ubaju songotanat bha ki kena ka St Paul Higher Secondary School Nongpo kabadi ka Wainegi School kabala he bha hasor Nongpo kabala penmiru ya shibun ki riu shampang menta kesengi kala penlong ya kejingrakhe ya ke Children's Day HAKA bagi kena skul kena kesilam JINGRWAI kila ya risa bat kenhoi bagi NONGHIKAI jongki kila penbernya de KIJINGSHAD bat JINGRWAI nalor ki kena skul bat NONGHIKAI lawan ruban saki dau MLA kathan yuba Meral Bons im kumukongsan HAKA jingi don lang jongki we kiri pokman kathan ki bakentup yuba Opel lengdo uba CBS im bat kiwe haba ajingkran hakane kesngi naga liang jong MLA ula ay kasneng kakraw ki kena pule bakin laj naga sniu kasme jong ne juk thamai ke bamanta kum ki drugs bat ke shongkha khana ha gaju ko por naga liang jong teu nomi khaman hadin makibor paniat ki labu ya ke jingkerpat banyo ya ki kor komputer naga banta ban penunkam ban hikai ki kena pule ban tip khamba shushu ya ke kor komputer naga liang jong MLA ula ay da kasong bisa ke basilak sanpho hajar tengka naga banta ban kershan ya ke jing denkam
Dia kena kepor ngasau berkhot ya Father Peter Simli principal. I would like to request you to please come here with our father to please accept a check of 1,50,000 for buying of computers for St Paul Higher Secondary School. So this is just a small token, Father. We will carry our good work and deeds within our constituency, but in the paucity of time where we cannot propose huge amount from the schemes and all, but I try to manage from whatever resources I have. So this is a small token of help so that you can buy computers, computer class for the student, and I hope that it will enlighten the student, the teachers and the school. Jargo.
SKUL rosong lamben latang hazan mati kita bayar badak roya yaksnati anda hintia setengah MG mari Hey mari
This very day was observed to commemorate the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It is a proud moment for each and every one of us, where we have witnessed beautiful song, beautiful dance performed by students, also especially the song and dance performed by the teachers. And I wish in the program we have seen the dance by the super mom. We wish there is a super dad dance also. We wish we could participate. Next time when we'll come for Children's Day, please sister arrange for super dad dance also so that we could participate. It is a moment of joy for each and every one of us. Dear student, it is a tough way ahead that we have to travel in our journey. I would like to ask one question to our dear student. Please lend me your ears for 1 minute. Dear student, there is a question to each and every one of you. Anybody who want to become a star, please raise your hand. Who want to become a star? Dear student, please raise your hand. I can't see, not even a single hand. Everybody want to be a star. Somebody want to be a rock star, somebody want to be a football star, somebody want to be a star in his studies. But I'll tell you, student, very important message to each and every one of you. That star does not shine because they want to be seen, but they shine because they are the stars. You are the stars of your own. It's not that you just want to be seen by someone, but it has to be from deep inside your heart that you are a born star. You are born to be a star. No matter what, difficulties, ups and downs, thick and thin, you have to be prepared in this very difficult world that we are traveling, each and every one of us. Dear student, it is the time that you have to choose what is right and what is wrong. Especially those students in the UP and the secondary and the higher secondary section, you have to choose a right path. There is a star who could lead you to achieve your goal. Where Swami Vivekananda have said, arise, awake, and do not stop until you achieve your goal. There is a shining star who will lead you from the front. Hagaktin kasi jongi ngiong, umulung sosotham upun kenmau ya kikentin, kiba koridor hadu kata-kata nagabanta jong ilang barok. Kabawong kmi samlah khmat jong phi, bapintip shanu banthai, udon ukhlur balam lenti, im ka kerteng sa kanam. Udon ukhlur, there is a star who will lead you from the front. But dear student, it is very important that the stars who give us light, he will take you to the right path. But it is very important, dear student, that light is something that guides you. But if you blow it off, you will lose your path.
Heb barit, heb bait, ngedang don kaju kajinglong. Kabangi yuju ya KONGTHEI, ngiju ya hala, ya syed para kena. Ngidon kiriu kumat, hangne kiban ai KAJINGRWAI yepi. Kam tam ke exam galajan. Ka exam galajan, satang kendiat SNGI lese. Kipor kibaladep lese pisu penlut kai tanga kepor bania KONGTHEI. Haying, SKUL, ne hakapor bala IAP ka kapor ka pakerpang ban krekod. Kumba pilayo ban pule nadu ki kelas ke barit. Kawai KAJINGRWAI jong melung galadon gaong. Trei kapor trei. Lekai kapor lekai. Le kat badai la kapor tengkai. Te hebarit wat nom kensting ya kapor ka pakordor jopi. Haka jinglong kena ka jongpi. Kat no kino hikai ki trei sitom. Ban penundur ya pi mdei tangkap kasap ban hikai nyoi ba kinong hikai gi hikai ru ya pi mdei tang ban pulekot hikai ban SHAD hikai ban ROI hikai ban nak so tenat ba kinong hikai gi peni ya kasap katalen om ta khamat jongpi here khamat ka perthei baki dei shisha kinong hikai ki bakwa ban hikai lut baro